In this episode of How the Do I, Kyle from Rangeland RV teaches you how to set up a Dometic bag awning on a Rockwood tent trailer. Enjoy.
Hi everyone, it's Kyle with Rangeland RV and welcome to our how-to series. Today we're going to be setting up a Dometic awning on a Rockwood tent trailer. Let's check it out. So right away, some things to consider when setting up your awning in your tent trailer is start when the tent trailer is closed up. It makes it a lot easier to access it and set it up. So the first thing what you want to do when you get to your campsite is unzip your bag awning. And then you're going to find a couple tie points. So you just pull these quick releases. And then your awning is going to roll out of your bag. Just help it along so it doesn't come out smashing on the floor. And your poles are going to be built into the bottom of the awning system. So now that that's out, we'll go to our power lift system, which is standard on all Rockwood trailers. And you're going to raise the tent trailer up. So now that your roof is lifted, you're going to have your awning stretched out all the way. It is a lot easier with two people, but it can be easily done with one. So after that, your poles are built inside, and they just pop out of place. So these are going to slide out, and Rockwood comes equipped with the inserts on the side of the tent trailer. So you're going to pop that one in there, and then we'll grab the other side as well. And pop it into that side. Then once we got both of them in there, your poles are going to be, you're going to be able to extend your poles to your desired length. Good. And you're going to twist them to hold them in place. Now we'll go to the other side, do the same thing. So again, twist to release it, stretch her out, make sure it's level, nice and level, or you can play with the pitch depending on the sun, or if it's raining or anything like that, so you can have good drainage or sun protection. And there you have it. You have your Dometic awning, really nice outdoor area in your Rockwood tent trailer. A really cool feature that comes standard in the Rockwood Dometic awnings is they're all prepped for an add a room screen option. So these zippers here, which are on both sides and the front side, allow you to zip a screen on, so it creates a whole living room. So it doubles your space. So you have an outside area and an inside area. So it's a really cool feature to enjoy with your family when you're out camping. So after you've done camping and you've enjoyed your vacation, it's time to put it all away. So the close up the Dometic awning, again, is super easy with one person, but it's a lot more easy with two people. So all the steps are just in reverse. So you're gonna bring down each pole. So that one's loose, then we'll do the same on the other side. So they just twist to loosen them, and then they'll slide right in. And then put your poles in each case. This extra leg here is so you can have different positions, so if you don't want it on the side of the trailer, you can have it straight down in your campsite. It just pops in there. Then grab this one again, it pops in there. And then you're just gonna let your awning hang again, and it's a lot easier to put the roof down and then just roll it up and put it back into your bag. So we'll come back here to the lift system, drop it down. You don't have to bring it all the way down, just so it's at a comfortable working height to roll it up. And then grab your awning system. Let's go the other way to make it easier. So pull it out and then just start rolling it up. And it's a lot easier to do if you do it in the middle one, because then you can tie your first knot and it's going to hold it in place. You just hold it up there. Tie it in for support. That's going to hold it there, and then do the same thing for the other two. have it. Your awning's all put away. So in a tent trailer, it's great to have these big awnings because you're going to double your camping space by having a really nice outdoor area. Thanks for taking the time to watch our how-to series. This is the tent trailer Dometic awning setup. Once again, I'm Kyle at Rangeland RV. Please like and subscribe if you guys saw value in this video, and happy camping.